This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Claudia Ogrizek. When you combine great layout and condition, prime location, and price, you know you have a winner. Open floor plan with double ceiling in the living room, master on main, white kitchen cabinets with beautiful backsplash and all appliances, plus 2 guest rooms and a bonus room upstairs. Outside, a spacious patio and a large, flat, fenced-in yard. What else can you ask for? New roof in 2014. New HVAC in 2011. Don't miss the opportunity to buy one of the most spacious houses in Eastfield Rigde, just minutes from exit 26 on 485 and Prosperity Village. For more information, review the details below.